What if you could sense your best leads like a Jedi senses the Force? Most B2B teams waste 80% of their time on low quality leads. In this video, you will learn how to prioritize your top prospects with Jedi-level lead scoring and Skyrocket conversions. Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, a go-to-market strategist and owner of Koenig Digital, with over 10 years of experience helping B2B companies like yours turn leads into revenue. I've built high-converting pipelines for SaaS, manufacturing, and tech firms, and today I'm sharing my battle-tested lead scoring strategies to help you focus on the right prospects.
Yes, my master.
Low quality leads are the dark side of B2B lead gen. Research shows only 2% of leads convert, meaning you're burning time and budget on prospects who don't fit. The culprit, poor prioritization. Without a clear way to score and rank leads, your team's chasing ghosts instead of closing deals. Founders like you need a system to focus on leads that matter. It is like firing at a star destroyer with no targeting computer. Pure chaos.
Yes, my master.
Let's master lead scoring with 3 proven strategies. Number 1, define your scoring criteria. Build a model based on your ideal customer profile, company size, industry, behavior like website visits. Salesforce users see a 30% better prioritization with clear criteria. The intent of your leads are critical. Number 2 is automate with CRM tools like the Scaling Founder CRM, HubSpot, or Salesforce to assign scores automatically based on action. Form fills, email opens, or demo requests. Pricing page visits, specific pages about your product visited, and so forth. So automation cuts prioritization time by 40%. This is drastic. And number 3, leverage AI for precision. AI tools like Zoom Info, Callbox, or Gong analyze intent signals. Think LinkedIn engagement or content downloads to boost conversion rates by up to 50%. That is massive. I'm sure you will agree. It's like having R2D2 sort through your leads in real time. So, if you want to score leads with the precision of a Jedi, focusing on prospects strong with the force of intent is key. So, next step is let's look at a 5-step checklist and to get this. So, are you ready to prioritize like a Jedi? Number 1, map your ICP to define scoring criteria. This is critical. This is this first step, and so many B2B founders just skip over this or do some generic mapping and definition of the ICP. Spending more time on this and your scoring will give you better results. I guarantee that. The second one is step up behavioral triggers in your CRM, or rather, set up behavioral triggers in your CRM. Knowing what your client is looking and when they're looking for it is key. Number 3, use AI to track intent signals like content engagement. If a prospect has visited your pricing page, they've downloaded information about the product, they've looked at product pages and so forth, then they are so far further down the buying line. So use AI to track this, and with the scoring, you will get much more um, uh, uh, better leads ready to buy. Number 4, assign scores for firmographics and action. And then number 5 is review scores weekly to refine your model. There you have it. Download our free lead scoring guide for tool recommendation and step-by-steps below, and get started today. Don't let low quality leads pull you to the dark side. Grab our lead scoring checklist to prioritize your best prospects and close more deals. Click on the link in the description and subscribe for more Jedi-level lead gen strategies. May the force of high conversion be with you. Keep on scaling.
Yes, my master.